Hello everyone, good afternoon in China time. This is Holly and welcome to Huadi company online streaming. Today the Holly will introduce our folding door, sliding door and one of swing door to you. Now let's introduce our folding door first. Look, behind us is our folding door system. Its name is SAA900W. This is a folding door consists with a swing door and several panels of folding. And let me open the door first. Look, as you can see, this folding door SAA900W consists of the upper track and the upper door street, and one of is about the door is the bottom track. It needs a bottom track. The bottom track size is the depth is 25 millimeter. This is the type of closed door. And this folding door is an old type of the side of our sliding open door. And let's open it first. And let's close the door. No, let me introduce a new sliding folding door to you. Let's go. Look, this is our new folding door. Its name is SAA900MC. As we can see, this is the type of opening. And it's also with a swing door. The swing door, we can match you a handle and the upper door street and the bottom door street. Also, we will have a floor spring at the bottom. The door can open outside and it can open inside. The degree up to 180 degrees. Now let's open it first. And let me show you this type of folding door, how to open it. Just take one of panels of it and then go. And it will easy to open. We need to make each panel of glass in a line to match with the upper track. Look, this is the type of closing the door. We can see there are 6 panels of the folding. Each panel of glass is about 800 millimeter. The glass thickness can be up to 8 millimeter and 12 millimeter glass. Also have the laminate glass is okay. Look, the upper track we can see it in our showroom. It is hidden in the ceiling. So give us a correct door size, and you can also introduce the the tracks in the ceiling. Now you can see the door height in our showroom is about 3 meter height. That is total about, if each panel is 800 millimeter, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 800 meter is about 5.6 meter here in our showroom and 3 meter height. So the maximum door size is about 6.8 meter and no more than 3 meter height. If the door size is more than this data, and we introduce that you can open the folding door, open both sides, and give us your door size, and our engineer will make the drawing according to your door size and give you the best solution. This swing door, we can decide it on the left side or the right side. It's okay. If you don't like it, we can also delete it. That is just full folding. Now let me introduce the bottom door street. Now let's close the door. Oh, open the door first. It's very easy to sliding, and then we can see the stocking area is no more than 15 centimeter. And let's measure it, guys. Look, the stocking area is only 46 centimeters, about 46 centimeters. There are 6 panels about the folding. You can see our folding door, no knee bottom track. This is one of biggest advantage. And let me show you the details of the bottom door street. As we can see, the bottom door street here, the finish is 304 stainless steel polish, and we have 304 stainless steel stained. If you don't like the 304 stainless steel, we can make it aluminate cover. But the hinge and the ruler, as well as the bolt, is also 304 stainless steel, but it can make the color the same as the aluminate. The color is like the pearl chrome. This cover is 304 stainless steel, and we can also make it another color, the black color. Each door street, it can be, for example, we can take 1 meter. It's about 5 to 6 kilograms. Each door street, the total weight is about 5 to 6 kilograms. And between the glass gap, the gap between the glass. See, between the glass, the gap is no more than 4 millimeter, the minimum gap. So let me show you the details about the ruler and the bolts. Now we can see it. This is our ruler and the hinge. This side we can see it. Like here. We have a small ruler. This is the reason why we no need the bottom track. The stain is, the finish is 304 stainless steel stain. And we can also make it polish. Second, we will introduce our bolt. We can see it, the spring inside. The bolt should be here. Here is the bolt. When we lock the door, we can press down. And then open the door and you can press down and you can turn back. Like this. Look. This is the bolt. And let me introduce the upper track. Upper track and the ruler. Look, as you can see, this is our upper track. The height is 75 millimeter and the wide is 72 millimeter. You can see this is our track. It is very heavy. If 1 meter, it is up to 5 kilograms, the total weight. And look, this is our ruler. 3 types of different rulers, and it will sliding in the track. Let me show you. Can you see? The ruler sliding in the track. It can move smoothly. This ruler can load the glass. Total load is about 90 kilograms. It's strong enough. So, we can see it in our showroom. The door strips consist of the cover, bolt, hinge, and the rulers. We also have the brush at the bottom to prevent the water or rain. When you install the strip, it is very important to clamp the door properly because it can bear the weight of the glass. If the door has shaking phenomenon, we can use the glass silicone to fix it. You can use the glass silicone to fix it if there is shaking phenomenon. So let's close the door again. Show you. It's very easy to open it. We need to press it to match with the upper track, so we can close the door. Looks very simple, and the opening space like this. So if you don't want to close the door, all kinds of the planets stuck in one side, so you can only open the swing door. It's also okay. The swing door can return back itself. Look, this is the type of opening. This is our frameless folding door, and we have another one is the full face folding door. Come on, let's go and have a seat. Look, this is our full face folding door. Its color is great. You can see it. There is upper track and a bottom track also. When close the door, and we can match it with the handles, and then it will close. It can also slide smoothly and easy to operate. If you want, open the door. One panel is enough for a person. For the water, the invoice, it is really have a good function to prevent the water and the invoice. So it is very suitable for the outside and install it in outdoor. Look, here is the full frame folding door. So let's introduce the next door is a sliding door. Come on, let's see. Look, this is our sliding door. Its function is soft closing. It is very safe when it's installed at home. The door can be installed in office too. As we can see, the whole set of the door consists of the upper track, and we have a soft closing fittings in the track and the track cover. And there I have two stoppers in the track. The track is aluminum. Our station is finished, as well as the handle. The handle is also aluminum. One of its biggest function is the door can turn back. It's automatically. So you no need to open the door by yourself. The door can open the door and close it automatically. You can also open it full. The glass clamp in the track is up to 90 kilograms of the whole panels of the glass. And we also have a stopper at the bottom. This side is fixed with the glass. The tracks can be also ceiling mounted. It's available. So let's see, the next door is the swing door. As we can see, this swing door is a very simple design. It consists of the aluminum frame, free-size frame, 2 hinges, and a door lock. The door lock we have many types of door lock you can choose. The hinge can be opened up to 180 degrees, not only 90 degrees. As we can see, the frame of the door will cut at 45 degrees at the corner. Can you see the black rubber here? It's to protect the glass to be broken. This is the anti-corrosion part. Also, we have free size. The free size, it has anti-corrosion part. This design in our aluminum frame is fixed with the glass, and we also have another type is fixed with the wall. Look, this is the type of closing the door. It can be used in office too, or the entrance or exit. Okay, so let's go and have a look at another type of swing door. It's very similar with that one that we introduced. Look, this is our another type of swing door. The door height here is about 2 meters. The door lock, we change it, and other types. This swing door design is very simple and with 2 hinges too. Just 2 hinges, it can load the glass weight. The hinge is made of 304 stainless steel and its finish is stained, and we can make it polished. We can design it open outside or inside. That means the door can open from this entrance. We also have the aluminum frame. The frame is made of aluminum. Finish is oxidation. And we can also see here is the rubber, free size to protect the glass. Look, this is the whole set of the swing door. Now today we introduce our 2 types of folding door. One is with bottom track and another one no need bottom track but a ruler. So tomorrow we have another online streaming. We will introduce a new partition glass door. Look, this is the partition glass door. As we can see, the panels of the glass can sliding in the track. And the track is very special, like a H type. To make the glass sliding here. Do you want to know how can the door open? Tomorrow, our college Cherry will tell you the answer. See you tomorrow at the same time, 4 o'clock p.m. in China time. So, see you tomorrow. Goodbye.